Affiliate marketing made easier for you. Successful affiliate marketers can make thousands of dollars in commission payments every month. In order to succeed in the field, you need to be aware of affiliate scams to avoid and effective marketing techniques to use. This video presents some of the top tips that all affiliate marketers need to know. To maintain a sterling reputation, it's important that you only enter affiliate marketing programs with affiliates you can stand behind. Evaluate your potential affiliates carefully and avoid any that you cannot support with full enthusiasm. Visitors to your website will use your choice of affiliates to inform their opinion of you, so whatever you do, avoid connecting your visitors to shady dealers and scam artists. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. Before deciding on an affiliate company to go with, check out the company's references and see what people are really saying about the services they offer. You need to be sure that you're dealing with a legitimate service before you put the time and effort into driving traffic to someone else's site. Make a strong attempt to cut down on your too good to be true offers on your webpage. Sometimes, this can appear as illegitimate, as the average visitor may watch this as a scam. Stick to the description of the product you offer and explain exactly what the customer will receive. Take the time to go through all of the advertisements that you choose. Change them out on a regular basis. Think about what your readers might want to learn more about or may enjoy purchasing. This will keep your readers happy and introduce them to new ideas on a consistent basis. A great affiliate marketing tip is to post comments on popular YouTube videos that are relevant to your niche market. Posting comments on popular videos will get the attention of a lot of people. They'll also be able to check out your channel and see what else you have to offer. By considering, implementing and expanding on the affiliate marketing advice and ideas found in the tips presented in this video, you should be able to develop a profitable affiliate marketing plan of action, carry it out and be on your way to becoming a master of the affiliate marketing world. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.